brain hates a fucking void. So all of us start, what the fuck is this? What's going on? What do they want? Why me? All this shit. We don't care. Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. All it is like, okay, then you go straight to acceptance. Your self-talk is like, oh, 3 o'clock in the morning, there's armed people standing in the bedroom. I don't know what the fuck. I didn't do anything to deserve it. I don't give a shit about that stuff. It's all right then. It's accept. Okay, then let's fucking punch in and go to work. And that self-talk activates. Punch in and go to work. What do you mean? I mean, punch in and go to work. You've already accepted, before you ever got to this point, you accepted that your safety, the safety of your family, is your responsibility.